Are you struggling to get your 1 lakh rupees in your 9 to 5 job? Then in this video, I am going to show how to make your 1 lakh by creating FACELESS YouTube channel using an amazing text to voice generator AI. So if you want to learn more side hustles like this, then I recommend you to check out our playlist in the above cards. So grab your coffee and watch this video till the end. First of all, I am gonna tell how to do this side hustle short and sweet. Then I will teach you how to do that using my PC in detailed version. We are going to use Google News to pick one trending news article. Then we use ChatGPT to summarize the article because the AI that we are going to use is only allow 2000 characters. Then we use the text voice generator AI to change our article into voice. After that, we use Pixels or some other AI to get copyrights free sample video to make an YouTube video. The first step is go to Google News. The link is also in my description, so check it out. Pick your niche related trending news. I am selecting this article for this video. Copy only text of the article. The second step is go to ChatGPT and give prompts like, can you summarize this article under 2000 characters? After that, paste the text that you are copied. After you get the minimized version of the article from the ChatGPT. So copy that text again. The third step is go to your browser and search speechma.com. The link is also in the description, so check it out. Paste the text that are copied in the ChatGPT. Choose what language do you want and what accent you want by selecting language and countries. I am selecting India as a country and English as a language. I am selecting this AI generator. After selected, click generate audio. Listen to this voice and check this properly.
Congress spokesperson Dia Shama Mohammed criticized Indian cricket captain Rohit.
After check the audio, click download like this. The fourth step is choosing the proper video based on the article. You can use Pixel or Pixabay to get copyrighted free sample videos. But if you want to get perfect sample video, then I recommend to use umva.ai. I have already told this AI in my previous video. I am using Umva for this video. So go to umva.ai. The link is also attached in the video description. In this, choose the topic that are based on your article. I am selecting news because my article is somehow like a news. After chosen, paste the ChatGPT text here and click export button. The video is generating and you have to wait some time to see full video. So wait for some time.
Congress spokesperson
After
Dr.
the
Shama
video
Mohammed
generator,
criticized
check the
Indian
video.
cricket overweight and the most unimpressive, drawing a parallel between the political failures.
You see how the video are perfectly scripted and performed. After the video is generated, click download button. The fifth step is choose one specific niche and create YouTube channel and upload this type of videos consistently. Upload video every day or at least once in a week to get amazing results. If you do this over a period of time, people tend to watch your videos and you will get subscribers. When you get 1000 subscribers, you can apply AdSense and get monetized and make money from it. It takes 1 or 2 months to get monetized and make money. So upload your videos consistently, and the most important thing is don't change your niche often. Stick up on your niche. Promote your YouTube channel in other social media like Instagram and Pinterest to grow your YouTube channel quickly as possible. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Follow us on Instagram and Telegram for more updates. See you soon. Goodbye.